There are no seats. Thank you, Janabi Speaker. Janabi Speaker, this House condemns the brutal physical and verbal attack on the acting Speaker of Punjab Assembly, Dost Mazari Sahab, by PTI and PMLQ MPAs to sabotage the proceedings and the constitutional process of the election of the Chief Minister Punjab. This House expresses concern over the security of the MPAs not belonging to the above said parties and the blatant violation of the Constitution of Pakistan. This House urges to ensure law and order is restored at the earliest so that the constitutional process of the election of the Chief Minister of Punjab can be completed. This House demands that all those responsible may be dealt with according to law, so no such incident occurs in future, and we may be able to deter and prevent any such violations and violent actions in any of the houses in Pakistan. Thank you.
The resolution to the House. The question is that the resolution as moved by adopted. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. Aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently the resolution is adopted. Unanimous.